Hey guys, what's up? It's Giuseppe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your website directly to Hostinger through what's called an SSH connection. Let's get into it. All you got to do is create your own password in the SSH, copy and paste all this, change the password, give it to your Claude code, and you can start editing this stuff actively. Super easy. Push it directly. You don't need GitHub. You don't need anything else. And you can push these websites you create straight into Hostinger should you prefer it. I've officially made a website with this and I have it hosted on Hostinger and I've created it with Claude Code. I was able to upload it onto Hostinger, WordPress Claude Code Wizard. Pretty heckin' awesome. So here's the website I was able to make. I want to talk about how easy it was to upload this to Hostinger because it is a thing. So when you come into Hostinger, what got me really excited at the start was this private Git repository option, okay? Hostinger has this where you come into advanced, you click Git, and it'll generate an SSH key. Now, I tried this. I beat my head against the wall for 2 or 3 hours. It's not worth your time. Don't bother. Don't worry about it. Just like, I'm not using it. I would prefer if you didn't use it. But what was really easy, and I will tell you, is you come in here and you come into advanced, and there's something here called SSH access. All right. Now this, all I did literally was copy and paste this into Claude Code, this whole thing. And I gave that to Claude Code. I was like, go for it. And just with this, it was able to upload everything it needed to this hosting, which was great. The one thing, and also what it'll do is it will also update your database. Your database is different than the rest of the website. It doesn't get uploaded in the same way. If you do go through Git, it gets uploaded differently. It is a bit of a pain in the ass. With that said, you can see here it's a different database. With that said, pretty awesome stuff. So here's a terminal, and literally once you have those accesses pressed into your Claude Code, it can go through and do everything itself. So right now I'm like, hey, just finish up the favicon, please. So what I did was I went into Canva to make a logo. Started with this. I used just the AI logo piece. And then I switched to this. And then I like this with the outline. I ended up with this one. I took it from this, I downloaded it, and I dragged and dropped it into the folder. It ended up working out pretty much perfectly. It was all I needed it to happen. And yeah, I mean, it's super simple stuff. If you are working on this, I did run into a bunch of issues, which I think are pretty easy to defeat if you're, trying even a little bit. So now that it has a logo, let's see what it does with it. I'm going to say make it favicon, the main logo for the website, and push the update to Hostinger through the SSH. Right, so now it's going to go through, because every website obviously needs a cool logo, and so does yours. So let's get that rocking and rolling. Now, as you can see, just using the SSH, the logo is in there and the favicon is in there. So anyways, that's it. All you got to do is create your own password in the SSH, copy and paste all this, change the password, give it to, so anyways, that's it. All you got to do is create your own password in the SSH, copy and paste all this, change the password, give it to your Claude Code, and you can start editing this stuff actively. Super easy. Push it directly. You don't need GitHub. You don't need anything else, and you can push these websites you create straight into Hostinger should you prefer it. Anyways, if you stay to the end, you're an absolute legend. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today.